Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Libby's pumpkin pie. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and prepare a 9-inch pie crust. Combine Libby's pumpkin, eggs, sugar, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and evaporated milk until smooth for a silky filling. Pour into the crust and bake 15 minutes at 425 degrees F, then lower to 350 degrees F until set. Let it cool fully, so slices hold shape and flavors meld for best results. Start by measuring ingredients precisely for consistent results. 2 15-ounce cans of Libby's pumpkin yield the right volume for a 9-inch pie. Whisk in 2 large eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, 3/4 cup sugar, and the spices until completely combined and smooth. Taste a tiny bit of the raw mix to check spice balance, then pour carefully into the prepared crust to avoid spills and bubbles. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future recipes. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy are perfect for saving leftover pie slices and avoiding spills in transit. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and keep crust crisp when refrigerated for travel to potlucks or picnics. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a crisp crust, blind bake for about 10 minutes before adding filling. After filling, bake 15 minutes at 425 degrees F to set edges, then reduce oven to 350 degrees F and continue until the center barely jiggles. Avoid overbaking to keep a silky texture and prevent cracks. Let the pie cool fully at room temperature, then chill if you prefer firmer slices and more developed flavor before serving with whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.